In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x8007007b. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up a small window called Run. Type for percentage local updata, percentage backward slash packages, and click on the OK button to continue. So here, you need to find for Microsoft Corpo, something like Corporation 2, and then you need to delete this one. Okay, so make a right click and then click on delete icon. And once you have deleted this one, you need to close the window. Press Windows key and R key together. This time, please type for cached. Sorry, cached, sorry, my bad. Please type for wsreset.exe so that you can clear the cache for your Microsoft Store. Sorry for that. Click on the OK button, and once you have clicked on it, you'll be able to see this blank window. All you need to do is you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.